So chapter 2.7, example number 10, asks us to solve for x given this absolute value inequality. And we can start this by isolating that absolute value. So if we have this x plus 3 on the inside and the plus 3 is greater than or equal to 11, then the first thing we can do is move that 3 over. So then we have absolute value of x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 8. And then from here, we can either solve it, or we can set it up like this. So it's x plus 3 greater than or equal to 8. And then on the other side, negative 8. Then from here, we can either solve it as it is, or we can do it separately. If we separate it, then it becomes negative 8, and then x plus 3, and then x plus 3, 8. And you can solve it both ways, but we're going to go with this one just to make things a little bit faster. So if we subtract 3 from each side, so now there's 3 sides, subtract 3 from each side, then we get negative 11 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 5. And what this means is x is less than or equal to negative 11, or x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Now this means that, let's say, here's a number line with our x values. Negative 11 is over here. Let's say 0 is right here, and then 5 is over here. So what this solution means is if we plug in any x value that is equal to or less than negative 11, or equal to or greater than 5, then we're going to get, this statement is going to be true. The absolute value of x plus 3 and then plus 3 is greater than or equal to 11. And we can check that. So let's say let x equal 6. And if we plug this back in, we have 6 plus 3 plus 3. And then we have 9 plus 3. It's 9 plus 3. Right here, which is true. So that works. We can check the other side too. Let's say x equals negative 20. Then we have negative 20 plus 3, which is also true, because this becomes positive. And as a counterexample, let's say let x equals 0, because this is on the inside right here. It's not on the intervals that we had solved for. Then we'd have 0 plus 3 plus 3. This is just 3 plus 3. So this is not true.